have Dr. Priya Johnson, Head for the Center for Environment and Sustainability of this wonderful campus. She is going to explain about the various initiatives related to Green Campus. Welcome, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Can you explain how your students are getting involved on maintaining the plants? We could observe lot of plants here, very good green cover here. How your students are getting involved in this kind of activities? How they are managing their academic activities with these activities? Do you have any provision in the curriculum, especially the credits for all these activities? You can explain, madam.
We work towards maintaining the environment and maintaining the sustainability of the campus, and the coordinators and the volunteers in this particular committee and the center, they actually work on maintaining the campus clean and smart, and they are the ones who maintain this medicinal garden. And not only in Kristu Jayanti College, we believe in living with nature and giving back to nature, thus maintaining the ecosystem and thus preserving our biodiversity. So that is the main theme for World Environment Day this time. So this medicinal garden has been set up by the different sets of students in these so many years. Every year it is being given to the next set of students. So they themselves maintain all the plants here. We have about 140 species of medicinal plants, 77 species of ornamental plants, and if you can see that the green cover is more than 50%. So this is because of the involvement of the management as well as the students. So we have a club bar during their regular timetable. So weekly we have a batch of students coming and looking after the plants, seeing whether any problem is there. And they also have projects. We have medicinal plants project in our life science department. Last year there were about 25 projects only on medicinal plants, and about 14 papers were published in peer-reviewed journal. Many of these plants are able to cure diseases related to the stomach, ulcer, liver diseases, cancer diseases, and there are certain Natu Vaidya, we call it as Ottamulis and things like that, where one treatment can cure a particular disease. So there are many plants in this, and all the labeling has been done by our students. So they have identified what each plant is, what species is. So it is like learning by doing rather than just learning through the textbooks. So they have identified the species, and they have made a compendium of the entire medicinal plants here. And the latest thing is the students are going for the barcoding of the plants. So once you scan on the plant, the entire details of the plants come, like the species name, what is its botanical name, what are its medical uses, all this. So that is a major thing which will be implemented within a month. So the students get credits for this particular extension activities.
I am Jayanti Pandey from Kristu Jayanti College, and I belong to the Center of Environment and Sustainability. I am one of the coordinators of the department. Our college has set up the botanical garden and the medicinal garden. Our botany students and the students of the life science department are responsible for taking care of the whole medicinal garden. Taxonomists have identified each of the plants present in the garden, and we were responsible to label the plants in the garden. 14 projects and 21 papers have been published by the MSc students of our college. Also, students are encouraged to conduct projects related to the plants present in the garden and also use the garden to its fullest.
The medicinal garden is maintained by the botanical students, and it has over 200 varieties of medicinal plants, and overall in campus there are more than 20,000 varieties of plant species, including large trees and ornamental plants, which includes anti-cancerous, antibacterial and antifungal plants. The seeds are collected and it is distributed to farmers for their use. The manuring and watering of plants is done by our students and maintained by the help of co-workers.
Other than that, how it is linked is this particular area in which our college is situated is a grey zone area where the water is very less, but you will be surprised by seeing the green cover here. This is because of the water conservation methods which we have here. In Kristu Jayanti, water management is priority, and water preservation and water conservation through rainwater harvesting and recycled water is done for many years now. And this has drastically reduced the usage of water or the purchase of water by the tanker. And here throughout the year, almost throughout the year for the past 2-3 years, it has been raining continuously, and this has reduced the purchase of water very much. So the rain water which is coming, it is being collected by at different places, especially in the quadrangles and from the rooftop, and it is being collected and then it is filtered through different layers of filters, and it is collected in 2 different rainwater harvest tanks. So we have a 25 lakh liter water capacity tank here in the main block and a 24 lakh liter water capacity rainwater harvest tank in the admin block, and this is being supplied to all the washrooms, taps and pipes in all the toilets and throughout all the blocks. So this drastically has reduced the consumption of water. Other than that, we also have an STP which caters to the wastewater treatment. So all the wastewater which is being generated is recycled through the STP, and that also caters to the entire water which is used for gardening. This way, water conservation has been a top priority in Kristu Jayanti College. Other than that, the tree litter, everything is taken for composting and vermicomposting, and that biofertilizer is being used as a manure. Similarly, we have a biogas plant. The leachate is also taken as a manure. Other than that, the recycled water from the STP, that sludge is also taken as a manure. So the entire thing is inbuilt. So everything is overlapping. The water conservation, the solid waste management, in-house solid waste management by composting and vermicomposting. So everything is maintained inside itself. So the green cover is maintained with the all that which we have here itself. So we have more than 50% of green cover in our campus. That is something like we are a carbon positive area for this particular neighborhood itself. We are happy that this value could be inculcated in the students by themselves involving in all these environment related activities.
Thank you very much, madam. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you.